Yeah, so this is my new Parrot Mini. Man, I forget which one it is. It's a night drone. There's quite a few of them, and I bought it with the fly pad. I bought it used. Uh, I like how it flies and everything. It does some weird stuff though. I hear the app's probably crashing. I probably have to reload it. It just keeps crashing. I keep trying different things and it keeps shutting off on me. The drone just sits there in the air and waits for me to reconnect. It's crazy. So, anyhow, I'm messing around with it, trying to get used to it. I only flew like 3 times. The guy said it was used too. It has like some sort of record of how many times it was flown. He said he flew, but it said it was never flown. It said I made the first flight. Yeah, anyhow, maybe that's because of the app. Yeah, I re-apped it, so that makes sense. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm just wondering. There might be some tips or whatever. I might post this up on the Parrot forum. It's the first time that happened though, where I had any issues. Once I was up and running, it was fine. And once I did get up and running, it stayed fine too. Once I stopped playing around with certain things, it responded really good. It flies great. Thing does fly great. You got to get used to it, how it's set up and all. That's the fly pad. Picture the fly pad. That's what I got that with it, and you can fly it with just your phone too. There it is sitting there. Bebop Parrot Mini. It's like the Mambo series. There's a whole mess of them. They're all around the same size. I think they all take the same batteries and stuff. Has a real bright light on it. It's got an acoustic sensor where it knows acoustically how high it is off the ground. It also has an eye sensor that you can take pictures with, but only straight up and down, straight down at the ground. So that's kind of weird. That's not really normal. But here we are, and there I am. Yeah, I must have caught it. There it is. I love the frame. That frame is used for so many different quads. It's got to be the best micro frame ever. Yeah, man. Motors aren't exposed at all. That's what helps burn them up too, heat. But yeah, man, there it is, Parrot Mamba. Yeah. The alarm's going off. I thought I had the speaker on, but I didn't. You'd be able to hear what the alarm's doing. Yeah, so I'll get back to it. Flypad's real familiar with that type of controller. Anyhow, God bless everybody. Have a great night.